How do you send personalized looms in 2023 that get you meetings booked, get you sales opportunities, and most importantly, close you deals? In this video, I'm gonna show you behind the scenes, behind the curtains, exactly our Loom 2023 personalized strategy that we are actively sending to clients and showing you how we are demonstrating our value, how we're showing our results, and what we can do for the business, and how we're personalizing that for the contact so that it makes them understand that we actually do care about their business. We are spending the time to invest into doing this audit for them, and we're showing how our business works and how we can get them results. All right, so here's the 3 parts of an effective Loom strategy. So part 1 is you want to start the Loom on their website. So start off by introducing yourself, calling out the prospect by name, and just introducing yourself, why you're reaching out. Speak to what you said in the actual email that got them to reply and ask for the video, and start off by just doing a general introduction and giving them value and saying that you're not going to waste their time. You're going to provide them value and exactly what you're going to go through in this video. Now, once you've done that, transition into the content. So switch over to add value immediately. So I usually start out on their Facebook ad account, and I'll quickly review what they're actually doing as far as their ad strategy. And I'll try to point out some insights related to what I'm seeing as far as where their process could be improved, what they're currently doing that's good, what they're currently doing that has some shortcomings and can be improved to see better results and more revenue for them. So for our particular business, we help out with digital marketing and their overall growth and acquisition strategy. And so when we're doing our audits, that's the first thing that we look to is what is their current strategy, if we can see that, and how can we point out in a personalized way where they are having shortcomings and how they could better implement some effective strategies to improve their results further. That's essentially how you demonstrate value, and you're selling the implementation, so they could take this information and do it on their own. You don't want to give away any sucky fluff. You want to give them all the secrets away so that they can see, wow, this guy has a lot of value. Imagine if I got on a sales call with him. Imagine if I did his paid services. How much value could I get from that? So provide as much value as possible. That is really the key. Now, the next thing is transitioning into the pitch or the sales content. So you want to demonstrate your expertise by demonstrating a little bit about a background about what your company does, what exactly your services are, and some case studies are the biggest thing. So go over a ton of case studies, show that you've done this before, you know what you're doing, and you do have expertise. And that's really the best way to get them to convince them that you want to show them and highlight them as much as possible. Now, if you don't have case studies, no worries. Just focus on adding value, add as much value as possible, and don't focus on any case studies at all. That's totally fine. Just focus on adding as much value and making that as personalized as possible. That's what you're gonna need to do in order to get the best possible results with this Loom strategy. Now, that's the entire strategy there. So let's go ahead and I'll show you a live example of a Loom strategy in 2023 so that you can see exactly how this is done in real time of a Loom that I sent this week. And you can really see how to do this yourself, how to implement this yourself, and what a high level, good personalized Loom looks like. So let me show you that recording now, and I'll see you guys after. Hey James, Blake Bauer here. I'm the CEO at Jetstream Digital. Super excited to share this video with you. We're a local growth partner in Victoria, helping a lot of Victoria companies. So I figured I'd reach out and just kind of show you some of the work that we've done. So again, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna try to make it as valuable as possible and just show you exactly what we're doing for companies really similar to Balance One. So I came across your guys' website. Looks like you guys have a really amazing product, clearly a very high quality website, and have amazing customer reviews and are obviously doing extremely well. And so I wanted to show you a little bit of what we're doing for similar companies and how we're helping them grow further with acquisition and paid acquisition overall. So let's jump into your Facebook ad library first of all here. It looks like you guys are currently spending on advertising here, and you do have some really interesting ads that look like articles here. So I really like your strategy overall. Pretty interesting. It looks like you're sending that traffic to some blog pages. So I'm interested to see how well that's doing for you guys. And it does look like you do some UGC here as well, which we're finding is the best way to get new customers and new acquisition going overall. And so without knowing too much of your strategy, I can only see so much at face value here, but I would recommend doing more UGC overall and just testing more to try to maximize that cost per acquisition so that you can scale further on these platforms. Again, not without knowing how much you're spending. It's hard to know exactly the recommendation to give you here, but I'll show you exactly what we're doing for similar brands. So this is Purica, who we've been helping out recently. I'll show you the last 30 days here, just so you know what we're doing here. So we have a few different campaigns. We have a top of funnel campaign, a retargeting campaign, a product-based campaign top of funnel as well, all optimized for conversions. And you can see here, in the last, let's just go had delivery. In the last 30 days here, we spent 16,000 and generated about 39,000 at 2.36 ROAS. And we are constantly working on improving this overall. And I'd recommend you to go to Purica's website. You can check them out, but they're really similar to you guys. Essentially, they're just like mushroom-based supplements. And so really similar industry, and we're helping them grow overall. Another one that's really similar is DripFit. So we're helping DripFit in the last, let's just go the last 30 days as well for them. We've spent about $5,400. Again, another Victoria-based company, and we helped them generate, let's see here, had delivery, about 2.49 ROAS, about 13,000. And so we're in the process of currently scaling this up so we can maximize our customer acquisition. But we're getting purchases at about $29, add to carts about $6, checkouts at about $16. So we're doing really well, and happy to share with you these strategies overall. And so, James, this is a little bit about us and how we deliver results, and how we think we can help you guys really ramp up your customer acquisition, reduce your customer acquisition costs, and scale further. So just a little bit about us here. We're really ROI based, so we like to work on performance and really be incentivized on the upside. We're winners, and so this is the best strategy that we're able to work with brands. And so when we do deals, we like to figure out how we can essentially be partnered in the upside to get results for you guys in the most efficient way possible. As far as how we work, we do partnerships. We're lean and mean. We provide turnkey and transparent partnerships. Some of our partners here, a lot of them are Victoria based. You might recognize some of these names like First Light. We're partners on all of these different platforms as well. And this is really our approach here. So we have a 3-step framework on how we do this: offer optimization, performance advertising, and then sales enablement. So really what that looks like is taking and bundling that flagship offer that we can really go to market with and put a lot of effort and scale behind, maximize and optimize our assets to get the most clicks and the most new customers in for your custom flagship offer that then obviously you retain the lifetime value after the sale. And then we get into digital advertising, which is where we obviously do the ads and maximize our customer acquisition cost. And then we get into the performance creatives as well, and how we, essentially take UGC and different ad creatives to get the most clicks and the most attention to your offer. And then we have sales enablement as well, which essentially is where we enable, the landing page and maximize the average order value and the conversion rate on the actual landing page so that you can scale further. And that's really the main pieces that we implement. And this is just some of our results here. So First Light Technologies, we helped them add 597,000 in new deals from paid ads in the last 12 months on Google Ads alone. And they're a local Victoria company as well. So this is their results there. We also helped Alacrity Academy add 5.4 million in overall revenue over the last 3 years, with about 462,000 ad spend, so over a 10x ROI on our advertising efforts there. Here's a look at the Meta account and exactly what we did there and some of the results. Cognito Health, another local Victoria-based company, we helped them reduce their customer acquisition costs by 55% in about 5 months, helping them to grow to over $1 million annually. And as well, here's Purica. So hopefully that gave you a couple of different examples of how I think we can help. At this point, if you are interested in this and want to have a conversation to see how we can help implement this for your business, where you guys are currently struggling, what you guys are currently doing, and if it makes sense for us to partner, again, on a more performance-based deal that we can come in, implement our strategies, and help you guys grow and scale further, I really recommend you booking a call with myself or with my partner, Mike. And we can, essentially just do a deep dive and see, where you guys are at, and if we're a good partner to help, and then we can discuss what that partnership would look like and what we're going to essentially implement for your business. So if that all sounds good, I'll leave a link to booking a call with me at the top right over here. So I hopefully see you on a call very, very soon, and excited to chat further. Thanks so much. All right, so there you go. That is my personalized Loom strategy in 2023 that I'm implementing. Now build off of this. Add your own twist to it and improve upon this. This is by no means the best strategy, and this is by no means something that you should just copy and paste for yourself. You should be looking at what type of business you're reaching out to, what services you're providing, and look for unique ways to add as much value as possible. And really all you're trying to do is just demonstrate your expertise and show them where they are lacking and give them as much valuable information as possible so that they can implement it themselves. And by the off chance that they want to invest into somebody who can do this for them, that's where they can jump on a call with you and book in that call with your CTA at the end to learn more and schedule in a call with you. So if you did find this valuable, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the latest in digital marketing and digital advertising for agencies and overall growing businesses online with paid acquisition. Also, leave me a comment letting me know your thoughts, and I'm happy to answer any questions down below personally. And lastly, if you have a business, B2B, service-based, e-commerce, D2C, whatever it is that is doing more than $30,000 per month and you want our help growing and scaling your customer acquisition by implementing some of these strategies, or want help with personalized consultations, check the link in the description and you can book a call with me and we can see if it's a good fit to help you continue to grow further and scale your business. Until the next one, guys, have a great rest of your day and I'll see you soon. Peace.